in 1521, when caravans was discovered by Magellan. They were sailing day and night across the big ocean until they saw a small Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people with him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they have done, because Castilla gate at waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Rahawabon will meet him very happy. All people were baptized and built the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited in Mactan to Christianize them everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore and brought Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad, ordered this man to come up flat. Mactan Island we could not grab, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then the battle began at dawn, Polos and Spurs versus Ganjantanos. When Magellan was hit on his knee and stumbled down and cried and cried, "Oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call a doctor very quick." And doctor, shall I die? Tell my mama, do not cry. Tell my mama, do not cry. Tell my mama, do not cry. That's the end of Magellan in the island of Bataan long time ago. Ladies and gentlemen.